Yes, sir.
What hope do you have now? And this, how do you feel, given the situation? And when you heard about Sanjay Dutt getting 4 more weeks, what was your reaction?
I was very upset.
Why?
I was very upset because I was in Delhi for last 4 days, running from one lawyer to another lawyer, preparing petitions, and seeking some time, some relief for my mother. She's a senior citizen. And I had, in my time to surrender, I had taken down both the points, merits of the case and medical grounds also. So, but it was dismissed by the court.
No, but they are saying today, Majid Memon is saying, Hitesh Jain is saying, they are all saying that you have not applied in the way that Sanjay Dutt applied. And had you applied under different considerations, it might have been taken into
No, how else would you want her to apply? She's put forth the health ground in her petition. In the application, there is a health ground.
There is a difference. There is a difference. Rahul, you have to understand the fundamental difference. If you apply such precedents where a person gets convicted, makes an application to the president that you grant me a pardon, and pending that hearing, it will be.
I think both, with due respect to Mr. Majid Memon as well as Mr. Hitesh Jain, what she has filed is a review petition. She has not yet filed.
No. Rahul, you are not aware there is a petition.
She has not yet filed any clemency before the President of India.
Rahul,
and therefore, what you are saying is incorrect.
Rahul,
she has said, pending my review petition, kindly pending my review petition.
Rahul, you are not aware there was a specific petition filed before Justice Kabir that pending his grant of pardon, she should be given a reprieve. So if you are not aware, please don't make such statements.
Majid Memon, please. Majid Memon to
Rahul. In the air if you don't do anything,
Majid Memon,
Rahul.
please.
Let us quietly hear me. Now 1 minute. Please let us quietly understand.
Listening.
See, there has to be some sanity in submissions, in prayers. If a sick person wants some grace of the type which Sanjay has been granted, then there has to be a proper approach. Now what should be that approach? A sick person must say, see, I am 70 plus, I am ill, I am bedridden, I am under constant medical treatment.
What is this?
And I cannot afford to terminate my medical treatment. I am on dialysis or some surgery. Please give me some more time so that I wind up this medical treatment. Just 1 minute. And Supreme Court would certainly have granted it, not just 4 weeks, but even 3 months or 6 months. But that is not the approach. And number 2, Arnav, very importantly, only fact that I am very old, so please don't let me surrender now. I will surrender
Then how
later
is it?
so that I will become older.
No, but Mr. Memon, I'm sorry, Mr. Memon, suppose I take your argument, right, Mr. Memon?
Yes.
That just because somebody is very old or very sick or terrible or 82, 83 years old is no argument. But then please tell me, you have not answered my question. Just because somebody has signed 5 or 6 movies, 1 minute, sir. It's not my problem.
No.
No, it's not my problem that he signed 7 movies. Suppose Sanjay Dutt was a flop actor. A flop actor who didn't get any movies. You are saying if he didn't get any movies, he would have to go tomorrow. If he's got 7 movies, then he will get a month. Then if he's got 20 movies, he'll get 2 months.
Unfortunately, Arnav, you have neither time nor patience to hear me. I can't explain my point, that's all. Because you are running short of time and you can't hear somebody patiently for a minute.
Mr. Memon, you are aware.
I cannot.
You are aware.
In a debate, I cannot.
You are aware, Mr. Memon.
I will satisfy you if you give me 2 minutes.
Mr. Memon, I will give you more time, but you must understand, Mr. Memon. The plea by Sanjay Dutt is only on the grounds of mercy. It is not on any constitutional rights. And mercy is being sought because he's got movies to do.
Indulgence, Arnav, please understand, indulgence, beseeching grace and indulgence. Please understand legal phrases and what do they mean.
Why is indulgence given to complete movies?
What he's asking is, now 1 minute, heavens are not going to fall if a person who has committed allegedly a crime in January 1993 to serve the remainder of his sentence dutifully a month later. Why
heavens are certainly not going to fall. Mr. Menon, I totally agree with you that 1 month, okay, if he's waited for 5, 7, 10 years, 1 month is not going to make a difference. But yes, what is the perception of the country going to be? What is the perception with regards to law going to be? What is the precedent that's going to be set? Tomorrow, like I told you,
This
today
is not-
Sanjay Dutt,
this is
okay,
no
he's
precedent.
waited so
Please,
long.
Rahul.
Tomorrow, everyone will ask for
Rahul,
this kind of a
is
relief.
neither
Is
precedent
it going to
nor
be fair?
parity. You don't understand, please.
Sanjay
No
Hegde,
precedent. This is no parity.
Sanjay Hegde,
This is not a precedent.
Sanjay
The
Hegde,
question
Sanjay
is,
Hegde.
why does one person get indulgence and not another? That's the real question. Why should only indulgence be shown to the rich?
I'm telling you
We
again,
had a Supreme
again
Court
I'm
which,
telling you, indulgence
at
would be
least in the
shown to
70s and
everyone
80s,
as well.
was
It
seen
would be
as
shown to
more
another
being
elderly
towards the
person
poor.
also.
Today we have gone back to the day when, in Krishna Iyer's famous words, it has become a court for constitutional quibbling for men with long purses. That is what's happening, and that is an unfortunate message which is going. Maybe the Supreme Court should probably think of giving everybody 2 months. Please put all your affairs in order, and therefore at least this unfortunate passage should be put behind you.
That is the real approach. Justice needs not only be delivered, it should appear to be delivered.
completely agree
So
with
if
this
there is
suggestion.
4 weeks for Sanjay Dutt, it
completely
has to
agree.
be for Zebunissa because parity concept has to be there.
Are you hopeful
In the same
tomorrow?
offence, in the same crime.
Fine, I think that is very fair.
Arnab,
Everybody
it is not
should
the
be
same
given 2
offence and
months
same crime.
to
The
finish their
crimes are
respective
different.
codes and then go and do their punishment.
What are you saying, Mr. Bhatt? Just repeat yourself, missed the last word.
I feel that what she said just now, that all these people should be given 4 or 6 weeks, whatever it is there, to finish their respective course, whether it's a treatment for
Yeah.
Zebunissa's case or the other person who's going to dialysis or something like that.
No.
Give them that 4 or
No,
6
but
weeks
Mr.
needed
Bhatt,
for them to settle and then
Mr.
go.
Mr. Bhatt,
The earth is not going to
Mr.
fall
Bhatt,
apart.
Mr.
in the
Bhatt,
6 weeks.
Mr. Bhatt, answer a simple question, please.
Yeah.
Simple question for you.
Yeah,
There
yeah.
will be other cases in which several people may not be as lucky to have a Sanjay Dutt type person getting their appeal positively heard before them. So, should everybody in India hope?
Why do you...
1 minute, Mr. Bhatt. Now that you are saying, now that
listen.
my question, 1 minute, Mr.
Listen.
Bhatt. Have the patience to listen, Mr. Bhatt. The question is this: why Mr. Bhatt, should the appeals and the appeals process of other individuals be subject to the appeals judgment of a Sanjay Dutt kind of person? So if Sanjay Dutt did not get,
I'm not
then
saying
others
that.
cannot apply. But if Sanjay Dutt
I'm not
got,
saying
okay,
that.
now that he's got,
I'm
you
not
also
saying
can
that.
try. What kind of logic is that?
I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that.
That's what
I'm
you're
saying
implying.
If the Supreme Court feels... See, let us respect the judgment of the Supreme Court.
Of course we respect the judgment of the Supreme Court, but we're discussing it.
If the Supreme Court says that A deserves to get a reprieve of a couple of weeks or B gets required, let them decide. Who are you and me to question that?
I am asking you a simple question which you have failed to answer. Why should the process of appeals of all other individuals... No, 1 minute.
If the Supreme Court feels that even the others need to get 4 weeks or 6 weeks, so be it.
No one. I don't
What's
think
the problem?
anyone. No, I don't think anyone.
You're not getting the point, Mr. Bhatt.
There is
Mr.
a
Bhatt.
problem.
The problem here is
There
that
has to be
I don't
equal
think-
power.
we are doing the job of the Supreme Court.
Mr. Bhatt, you're a strong Bollywood lobbyist.
There has to be law,
Mr.
has
Bhatt,
to be
let's be
same
very
for
clear.
all.
Mr. Bhatt, you represent a strong Bollywood lobby, backing a strong Bollywood personality. It's a self-interest group. It's a self-interest group.
about
Common sense.
No, none of us are sitting
You
out here
represent
and
the
challenging.
Within these 4
common
weeks
sense.
now, something more will come for
No, no.
Sanjay Dutt and
Let
maybe the
the
pardon
Supreme
also
Court-
No,
comes.
Mr.
Let
Bhatt,
the Supreme Court
Mr.
do
Bhatt,
the job.
none of us here
Let
are
them do
challenging the wisdom of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, we've got the highest respect for the Supreme Court. Whatever they've done, they've done it in their wisdom. What they've done for the last 20 years, the judiciary, we cannot judge that in 30 minutes sitting here, all conceded. But what we are trying to understand is the judgment that has been delivered, the decision that has been delivered, what is the implication of that in further cases,
Rahul,
in
but
future
now,
cases?
Rahul,
Please also appreciate that.
Rahul,
Is that the
but we have
proper
to also
precedent that we've
consider-
set? Is that the proper perception that we've given out to the country? This is what we need to understand.
This is the perception is that there are in
And
many
yesterday
cases
one
people
bench of
surrender
judges
within
said
1 day.
this only, that tomorrow everybody would come and ask for mercy. It would be a rape
I
convict,
don't
it
think
would
so.
be a
I think
murder
we are
convict,
generalizing.
would say my son is dying, my son has cancer, my wife is dying. So these issues should be taken up. You know,
this is the
humanitarian is a
precise
very
difference.
vast thing.
No
What will say? Everything
suspension,
can be
no extension
humanitarian.
was sought on any personal ground of Sanjay
So,
Dutt.
commercial
Neither any
interest
extension
in the
was
garb
sought
of
on the
humanitarian ground
even the
is-
commercial, not for
it's
his,
shocking.
that he will be
Sadly,
losing
when
in the
we-
revenue.
No, it's
But that's even more reason. That's even more reason for not allowing.
But-
why should we have mercy on people who are not in concerned with the matter? If they are suffering a financial
It's
loss,
their business.
it's their business.
No, no, but
And-
no,
Mr.
we are, when
one-
we are talking,
one-
no, no,
one-
allow me to
one-
complete
Mr.
my
Mr.
point.
Mr.
Allow me to complete one point which has been missed.
Mr.
This is
Jain,
not the
Mr.
case
Jain,
where he has been given a special. We are talking as if.
Mr. Jain, can I,
Arnab,
Mr. Jain,
Arnab, allow me to complete one
minute.
point.
Mr. Jain, allow
Arnab,
me.
just-
You see, you're on very weak ground here. I'll tell you.
No,
what.
no, no, I will tell you. Answer my one question.
Mr. Bhatt,
Answer my
thank
one
you
question.
for becoming an anchor.
Answer my,
I won't let you.
Answer my one
No,
question.
No, I will.
Because
Mr. Bhatt,
is he the only person who has been granted such extension? Is such extension granted in this country only to Mr. Dutt?
So you-
or people in this case also have been granted 4 weeks
I have a
extension? And
bad
what
habit.
about those people who have been asked to surrender on day one itself,
Yeah.
and all the accused over here who got 4 weeks time? Even those people will be complaining that a special this thing was given to all the accused. So I think this is not the case where any special case has been made out. I think we will be. I think.
Mr. Hitesh Jain.
No,
One second.
no.
Rahul Narvekar, Hitesh, one. I have a bad habit. My bad habit is that anybody on news asks me a question, I am forced to ask them a counter question. So my counter question to you is this. You will agree that the Supreme Court observed the producers should have realized and considered the fact that Sanjay Dutt was having such a case. 1 minute. So when you sign the projects and sign Sanjay Dutt for cases, you know that you are taking a risk. So your risk, your problem.
At the end
no,
of
why
the
should
day,
why
are we,
should
are we
your
questioning
risk-
the order of the
No,
Supreme
I am
Court today?
asking you
If
the
we are not
logic.
questioning
That's the
order,
problem. We are
have to
known
accept
to
the order in the totality.
Mr. Hitesh Jain, we've made it quite clear that none of us are doubting the judgment delivered by the Supreme Court. What we are debating out here is what is going to be the implication of this judgment
saying
in
it will
future.
have no implication.
And I
It will
think-
have no implication,
and I
Rahul.
think-
You are aware,
and
you are
I
arguing
think-
for the sake of
and
arguing.
I think each one of us have a right to do
A very
that.
wrong precedent has been set.
No, where is it?
This is not a precedent.
Where is it
This
said?
is not a precedent.
No, that is your That is your.
This is not a
That is
precedent,
your
Arnab.
That is your interpretation.
Irrespective of
Arnab,
whether
if you
it is
want
a
to know, you know what
precedent or
can
not
be
a
the
precedent, it
precedent?
has sent a wrong message.
If
One second. Yes.
That is the real problem with the order.
Now I want to go
No,
back.
no, Arnab, one more point.
Because
If this is a precedent, then the precedent will
thing
be on the
is
day
that
one.
if you have a strong lawyer there and you keep pleading, something or the other will come up. Okay, you don't get 6 months, you get 4 weeks. But somebody who cannot keep coming to the Supreme Court, I don't know of too many accused who after their sentence has been upheld by the Supreme Court, come back to the Supreme Court and say, now please give me some more time.
Sanjay,
Zabu-
the case
Clearly
in question,
done.
the case
My
in question
question-
where you are raising,
Branded high
Mr. Nariman
charge
also
lawyers
argued
come
he did
speak
not
for
get the
you.
order.
Mr.
So I don't agree that merely because there are senior lawyers going, therefore you got the order. I think that's you're not doing the.
I don't
doing
say
great
anything
disservice
about
to the
senior
profession.
lawyers. I am saying
But
that
I'm
ultimately
asking a question to the viewers. I'm
access
asking
to
you.
justice often means access
I'm
to
asking
lawyers.
a question. I'm asking a
and
question
also
to viewers.
The court
To viewers.
sometimes may make a mistake.
To
in
viewers.
extra indulgent
to viewers.
some people or to some people who made applications.
One. I have something to say to the Newshour viewers. Newshour viewers, I want you to tell us what you think about the arguments put by Mukesh Bhatt. And I assure you I will put them. I'm saying this on television. I'll take your feedback and I'll send it across to Mukesh Bhatt. Mukesh Bhatt says here today that this is not about Sanjay Dutt. This is about the several hundreds of people who are working for the films. We are also concerned about that, and that is a genuine concern. I am asking here today, do you believe in the strength of the argument of Mukesh Bhatt that this is not about Sanjay Dutt, it is about all the people working in the films? And do you believe then that this is a strong enough argument? And do you believe that Mr. Mukesh Bhatt is representing justice as large, or is Mukesh Bhatt representing a self-interest group of the film industry? I'll send all the feedback, Mr. Bhatt, straight to you, but I have a question to ask here to Zebunisa Qazi's daughter.
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me.
Now my question, I'll send all that feedback to you, Mr. Bhatt, but my question is to Zebunisa Qazi's daughter.
Sure, please send me the feedback, but I want to tell you one thing very clearly, Arnav, is that I want to tell all the viewers is that it is the reprieve of 4 weeks has got nothing to do with Sanjay Dutt or his judgment. It has to do with innocent workers whose money is at
I want to
stake.
know how many
I
people
feel
believe you.
By helping those workers get their due, and by just delaying his
Mr. Bhatt, when your films do exceptionally well, how much bonus do you pay those workers? You're so concerned about them.
A couple of weeks.
When your films
If you
do
can
so
save the
well,
lives
how much bonus
of
do you
lot
give
of
those
people
workers?
from Doldrums. I feel there's nothing wrong in it.
Zebunisa Kazi's daughter, are you hopeful after this or are you concerned now as you approach the court one more time?
I will try one more time. Let's see what happens tomorrow.
Has your mother been following this debate which has been going on?
I think so, yes.
What does she feel about the whole debate going on about Sanjay Dutt, being celebrity, hence having films getting a little reprieve?
No, she didn't say anything about Sanjay Dutt. She, like I told you, I was in Delhi for 4 days filing all these petition to just get some time for her, and I didn't succeed. So when I came back home, so she was really concerned, okay, you worked so hard and you didn't get anything. So she was really bothered about me. She didn't think about Sanjay Dutt getting any relief.
So you're not against Sanjay Dutt,
No.
but you're more for justice for your mother.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you to all my guests for joining me.
I really appreciate what she said now, Arnav. My heart also goes out to Zebunisa because she is also, my heart goes to her that she should also have got some kind of a reprieve. What I mean to say is that we have
I'm sure she will
nothing
get it
against
tomorrow on the
anybody.
grounds of
We are
parity,
there for
because
everybody.
tomorrow Sanjay
And I
Dutt's
really
judgment will be there to be
appreciate
quoted.
the way she has said about Sanjay Dutt.
Yes. Well, thank you very much. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 2. Thank you very much, gentlemen.